Alright, guys, so I just started off by squaring off my potato. The cuts aren't perfect, just for beginners, you know? I'm a little rusty, but it's okay. So you just want to square off your potato so when you're cutting it, it doesn't slide all around and just make a mess. You can square off all four sides, two sides, one side, whatever makes it easier. I only squared off two sides, so that's what I'm doing right now. And so for my first cut, I'm going to be doing small dice, which is a fourth inch by a fourth inch by a fourth inch. And I didn't measure it because it's just a by eye type of thing, and it didn't have to be perfect. Just an estimate on what they should look like. So this is just a rough estimate on what a small dice is, which again is fourth inch by fourth inch by fourth inch. So once again, I'm squaring off my potato just so it doesn't roll around. So as you guys saw, the cutting board is moving around, and I completely forgot to put something underneath, which is a rubber like mat that holds the cutting board still. If you don't have that, you can just wet a piece of paper or towel, and does the same thing, so your cutting board doesn't move when you're cutting. So next, I'm going to be working on Julienne, which is an eighth inch by eighth inch by 2.5 inches. And again, it's just a rough estimate of what a Julienne should look like. So right here, I have a small dice, and then I have a Julienne. And if you guys notice when the camera zooms in, some of them aren't straight at the ends. That's because I didn't square off my potato on all four sides. So I did decide to square off all four sides this time. So next I'm going to be working on my medium dice, which is a half an inch by half an inch by half an inch. And I can't seem to find the part of the video where I cut the batanes. So on the cutting board, it goes small dice, Julienne, and then the biggest one all the way to the right is a batanet, which is a fourth of inch by fourth of inch by 2.5 to 3 inches. And then now I'm cutting my Brunoise, which is eighth of inch by eighth of inch by eighth of inch. So what I have right here is small dice in the middle, Brunoise on the left, medium dice on the right, Julienne to the far left, and then batanet to the far right. Next, I'm going to be working on my large dice. A large dice is 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch. So again, it's from smallest to largest. It's Brunoise, small dice, medium dice, large dice, and then Julienne and batanet. So right now I'm working on my fine Julienne, which is 2 inches long by 16 inch and a 16 inch. And then from the fine Julienne, I'm gonna go straight into the fine Brunoise, which is a 16 inch by 16 inch by 16 inch. So there's the final product. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.